In this application, we'll look at staplers and staples. A box contains 5,000 staples. How many staplers can be filled from the box if each stapler holds 250 staples? We'll solve this problem using the 5-step problem-solving process. And the first step is to familiarize ourselves with the problem situation. To do that, read the problem carefully, making sure we understand all of the numbers and words in the problem and the question. The question asks how many staplers can be filled from the box. So let's define a variable. We'll let S equal the number of staplers that we can fill from the box. Now we could think of this as repeated subtraction, taking 250 staples out and filling one stapler, and then taking another 250 staples out and filling another stapler. So this actually will translate with using division. So we move to our next step in the process, which is to translate the problem into mathematical language. We'll begin by rewriting it or rephrasing it using English words. We would rephrase this by saying that the number of staplers, or the number of staples, divided by the number in each stapler is the number of staplers filled. So we have the number of staples in the box was 5,000 divided by the number in each stapler is 250 is, and the number of staplers filled we said was S. So we have the equation 5,000 divided by 250 equals S. And now we're ready to go to step 3 of the process, which is to solve the equation for S. In this case, to solve for S, we need to carry out the division. We need to divide 5,000 by 250. We think 250 goes into 500 2 times. That's actually 20 times 250, which is 5,000. We subtract and get a 0 remainder. We think 250 goes into 0 ones 0 times, and we could subtract if we want to, continue to get a 0 remainder. And so we have an answer of 20, and that equals S. To check the 4th step in the process that we're using, we could multiply the number of staplers that we filled, which was 20, times the number of staples in each stapler. And we do that, carry out that multiplication, and we get 5,000 staples, which is what we started with in the box. So we have a check. And we can state our answer clearly using a complete sentence. 20 staplers can be filled from a box of 5,000 staples.